This classic 1950 Plymouth Deluxe is a fantastic find for vintage car enthusiasts and collectors alike. Priced at $13,000 and located in Holbrook, New York, this beautiful automobile boasts a rich history and a distinctive style that stands out on the road. Featuring a timeless dark red exterior complemented by an elegant off-white interior, this car exudes vintage charm. Under the hood, it has a reliable V8 engine that has been replaced and is currently in running condition, ensuring the vehicle is ready for your next cruise or show. The transmission is automatic, providing smooth and effortless driving, perfect for both seasoned drivers and newcomers to classic cars. The odometer reads approximately 7,734 miles, indicating it has been well preserved or restored with care. The title status is clear, giving you peace of mind regarding ownership. This Plymouth Deluxe has undergone extensive upgrades, including a 350 cubic inch 4-barrel carburetor, 4-wheel disc brakes for improved stopping power, and a Fatman rack and pinion front end for better handling. It also features stylish dolphin gauges for an authentic vintage dashboard look, coupled with new electrical components such as a pointless distributor, coil, and alternator. The custom paint job with elegant pinstriping adds visual appeal, making it a standout at any car show or parade. In addition to its classic styling, it has modern comforts like an air conditioning and heating system, and 4 Pioneer speakers are installed, offering good sound quality even if not currently hooked up. This vehicle is perfect for restoration projects or as a vintage cruiser for those who appreciate the timeless beauty of mid-20th century American cars. If you're interested in more detailed photos and information, check out the link in the description. This is an incredible opportunity to own a piece of automotive history that combines classic aesthetics with modern upgrades, so don't miss out. Here's a classic beauty that's sure to turn heads: the 1963 Cadillac Sedan DeVille. For sale at $13,000 or best offer, located in New York, New York. This iconic Cadillac, with a sleek beige exterior and matching beige interior, is a true testament to the luxury and style of the 1960s. It's powered by the original V8 engine, running smoothly with 93,000 miles on the odometer, which gives it a nice balance of vintage charm and functional reliability. The automatic transmission is in working order, and the engine is original, making this vehicle a rare find for collectors or enthusiasts looking to restore a classic car. The car does have some minor rust and a dent on the rear passenger side near the lettering, which is typical for a vehicle of this age but certainly doesn't take away from its overall appeal. The title status is clear, ensuring a smooth transaction for the next lucky owner. Whether you're looking to add it to your collection or you're passionate about restoring vintage cars to their former glory, this Cadillac Sedan DeVille is a fantastic project car. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of American automotive history. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more photos and details about this classic gem. Up for sale is a stunning 1969 Ford Mustang, a true classic American muscle car that's perfect for collectors and enthusiasts alike. This iconic vehicle features a striking blue exterior complemented by a sleek black interior, making it a real head-turner on the road. The Mustang is powered by a rebuilt V6 engine which is in excellent running condition, ensuring reliable performance whether you're displaying it or enjoying a cruise. With only 64,000 miles on the odometer, this car has been well maintained and offers a taste of vintage automotive excellence. It comes with a 3-speed manual transmission, giving you an authentic driving experience and full control over the car's power. The title is clear, meaning ownership is straightforward, and you can get behind the wheel without any worries. The vehicle has undergone a comprehensive restoration process, including a fresh factory paint job and a brand new interior, making it look like a showroom new classic. Most of the trim has been replaced and the body is free of rust, a common concern with cars of this age, but certainly not an issue here. This Mustang drives like new, with no issues reported, making it a fantastic investment either for a collector or someone looking to add a vintage touch to their garage. Its timeless design, combined with its restored condition and engine reliability, makes it a prime candidate for car shows, weekend cruising, or even as a restoration project if you're looking to customize further. Don't miss this opportunity to own a piece of American automotive history. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more detailed photos and information about this beautiful 1969 Ford Mustang. This classic 1968 MG MGB GT is a real gem for vintage car enthusiasts and collectors alike. Priced at $15,900 or best offer, this car is located in St. Augustine, Florida, a perfect spot for American vintage car lovers. This MGB GT is a true period piece with some modern updates, making it an excellent candidate for restoration or as a weekend cruiser. The vehicle features a striking blue exterior complemented by a black leather interior, all maintained in very good condition. It boasts a manual transmission, providing an engaging driving experience straight from the era, plus a rear-wheel drive drivetrain that delivers that classic vintage feel. Notably, it includes a Webasto sliding sunroof, enhancing the driving experience on sunny days. This MG MGB GT has been partially restored, with recent significant maintenance to ensure it's ready for the road, including new tires, water pump, fuel pump, front rotors, pads, lines, and a professionally rebuilt carburetor. The exterior remains in excellent shape, with the frame and underside entirely rust-free, thanks to its California provenance. Under the hood, the car boasts a period-correct 1965 Ford 289 V8 engine, complete with MSD ignition and a Holley 650 double pumper, backed by a 5-speed T5 manual transmission, promising a powerful and responsive drive. The engine has been replaced and runs smoothly, offering impressive performance for a vintage vehicle. Inside, the interior has been recently redone within the last 5 years, with new seats, carpet, and dashboard, and features upgraded odometer gauges replacing the original touch and speedometer, providing both style and functionality. The car's trim includes original-style knockoff wire wheels wrapped in Vredestein Sprint Classic tires, providing that authentic vintage look with proper performance. The vehicle's title is clear, making it a solid investment for collectors or enthusiasts interested in a vintage MG that's both stylish and fun to drive. Overall, this 1968 MG MGB GT is a significant find, ideal for someone looking for a vintage British sports car with a bit of race-inspired flair, ready for the road or restoration project. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more photos and detailed information if you're considering acquiring a true classic. Today we have a true barn find, a 1937 Pontiac Ford Dr. Sedan that has been stored in a barn since the 1960s. This vintage beauty comes in a classic blue exterior with a tan interior, perfect for any car enthusiast looking for a rare piece of automotive history. With just 67,500 miles on the odometer, this Pontiac retains its original parts and shows no signs of rust, a testament to its well-preserved condition. It runs and drives smoothly, making it not just a collectible but also a car you can enjoy today. The transmission is manual, adding to the authenticity of the driving experience. While it is a classic, this car has seen recent updates, including new tires and brake cylinders, ensuring it's ready for the road. Whether you're a collector or someone looking to restore a vintage car to its former glory, this Pontiac is a great candidate. With a price of $8,000 or best offer, it's an excellent deal for anyone looking to own a rare, original classic. Located in Almont, Michigan, this car could be the perfect addition to your collection or a unique restoration project. Make sure to check out the link in the description for more details and photos. Today we have a truly special piece of automotive history for you. The 1950 Plymouth Ford Dr. Sedan, offered for sale at $8,000 or best offer, located in Kenosha, Wisconsin. This car, with its charming channel green exterior and elegant gray interior, is a true vintage gem that radiates classic style. The car features a 101,972-mile odometer reading and is powered by a manual transmission, offering a driving experience that's as nostalgic as it is smooth. Not only does it come with a newly refurbished braking system, but it also exudes an undeniable charm that makes it perfect for car enthusiasts, collectors, or those who appreciate classic vehicles in their original form. The vehicle is a fantastic find, as it has been in the hands of just 2 owners, with the original owner, a 98-year-old from Mattoon, Wisconsin, keeping it in excellent condition until it was purchased by its second owner in 1978. This Plymouth 4 Dr. Sedan isn't just a car, it's a statement piece. Its vintage allure makes it an excellent choice for car shows, parades, or even a leisurely Sunday drive. Its restoration potential is endless, and you could easily bring it back to its former glory with a little effort. Whether you're looking to restore it to perfection or keep it as is for cruising or display, this Plymouth is ready to impress. With its well-maintained engine and smooth shifting manual transmission, it's also ready for the road, ensuring that you'll have fun behind the wheel as you drive it. For those interested in rare, well-preserved classics with a history, this 1950 Plymouth is a must-see. Check out the link in the description below for more information, detailed photos, and a closer look at this fantastic vehicle. This 1960 Chevrolet Impala is a classic piece of automotive history, available for sale at $18,500 or best offer in Brick, New Jersey. The car is in decent condition and comes with a crate 350 motor that runs great, providing plenty of power for a car of its era. It features an automatic transmission and has 67,800 miles on the odometer, which is relatively low for a vintage car of this age. The exterior and interior are both finished in a striking red color, creating a bold and eye-catching appearance. The car has recently been upgraded with new front disc brakes, ensuring that it performs well on the road. The floor pans have also been completely replaced, and new carpeting has been installed to enhance the overall interior comfort. However, the body still needs some work to be finished, which presents an opportunity for restoration enthusiasts looking to bring this beauty back to its original glory. A rust-free hood is included with the car, although it will need to be painted to match the exterior. Additionally, the vehicle comes with a new gas tank and rubber seals for the windows and trunk, making it even more appealing for restoration. This is a perfect project car for vintage car lovers and collectors who appreciate classic Chevrolets. Whether you're looking to restore it to showroom quality or simply add it to your collection as is, this 1960 Chevrolet Impala offers both style and potential. The car is located in Brick, New Jersey, and with its iconic design, it's a great find for anyone passionate about classic American cars. For more information and pictures of this unique 1960 Chevrolet Impala, be sure to check out the link in the description below. For sale is a stunning 1961 Buick LeSabre, a classic American beauty that is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Priced at $19,000 or best offer, this vehicle is located in Orlando, Florida, and offers a perfect combination of vintage charm and powerful performance. The Buick LeSabre is a 2-door sedan with a striking black exterior and a clean, comfortable gray interior, offering a great mix of style and comfort. Under the hood, it boasts a powerful V8 engine that provides 300 horsepower, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts looking for a smooth, responsive ride. The automatic transmission ensures ease of driving, while the odometer reads only 25,380 miles, highlighting the low mileage and preserving its value as a true collectible. The vehicle is in good exterior condition, and the engine is running strong, offering a classic car experience that is both reliable and enjoyable. It also has a clear title, giving you peace of mind as you move forward with your purchase. As for the tires, they were replaced about a year ago, ensuring you have great traction as you cruise in this American classic. This Buick LeSabre also comes with a fantastic array of original documents, including the original invoice and window sticker, which further emphasize its authenticity and rarity. It is an excellent candidate for restoration, or simply for those who want a well-preserved vintage vehicle to enjoy as is. Whether you're looking for a collector's item, a restoration project, or just a unique classic to cruise around in, this 1961 Buick LeSabre has it all. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details and photos of this timeless vehicle. Here we have a 1958 Chevrolet Delray, listed at an affordable price of $9,500 in Fresno, California. This vintage beauty boasts a salmon exterior and a classic gray interior, ready for its next owner to either enjoy as a driver or dive into a restoration project. With 100,000 miles on the odometer, this car is in great running condition, thanks to a recently replaced engine and a rebuilt carburetor. The engine is a V8 and it runs smoothly, offering solid performance on the road. The automatic transmission shifts without issue, making this an enjoyable ride for anyone looking to cruise in style. The car has a clean California title, meaning there are no title issues to worry about. Additionally, a new gas tank and fuel pump have been installed to ensure everything runs efficiently. The chrome bumpers are in excellent shape, adding to the vintage charm of this Chevy Delray. It's also worth noting that this car could serve as a great source of parts for a 1958 Chevrolet Impala, should you be working on a restoration project for that model. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or looking for a project to restore, this 1958 Chevy Delray is a great find. The car is located in Fresno, California, and is a fantastic example of 1950s American automotive design. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. For more details and photos, be sure to check out the link in the description. Transcript for sale is a stunning 1961 Buick LeSabre, a classic American beauty that is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Priced at $19,000 or best offer, this vehicle is located in Orlando, Florida, and offers a perfect combination of vintage charm and powerful performance. The Buick LeSabre is a two-door sedan with a striking black exterior and a clean, comfortable gray interior, offering a great mix of style and comfort. Under the hood, it boasts a powerful V8 engine that provides 300 horsepower, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts looking for a smooth, responsive ride. The automatic transmission ensures ease of driving, while the odometer reads only 25,380 miles, highlighting the low mileage and preserving its value as a true collectible. The vehicle is in good exterior condition, and the engine is running strong, offering a classic car experience that is both reliable and enjoyable. It also has a clear title, giving you peace of mind as you move forward with your purchase. As for the tires, they were replaced about a year ago, ensuring you have great traction as you cruise in this American classic. This Buick LeSabre also comes with a fantastic array of original documents, including the original invoice and window sticker, which further emphasize its authenticity and rarity. It is an excellent candidate for restoration, or simply for those who want a well-preserved vintage vehicle to enjoy as is. Whether you're looking for a collector's item, a restoration project, or just a unique classic to cruise around in, this 1961 Buick LeSabre has it all. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details and photos of this timeless vehicle.